See, tenant in every state in India, whether it's Delhi, Chandigarh, Punjab, anywhere, every tenant has a protection under the respective rent control acts which have been enacted in all the states. Under the Rent Act, a tenant has protection, and if the landlord wants to evict the tenant, then there are certain statutory provisions under which the landlord can evict the tenant. For example, if the tenant does not pay rent for continuously for a few months, or he makes a change of user, for example, it is a residential purpose, he changes into a commercial purpose or vice versa, or that the building is in a dilapidated condition, or landlord wants it for bona fide requirement. In such conditions, or a tenant sublets the premises, in such condition landlord has a right to file a petition for eviction of the tenant. And as far as the rights of the tenant for electricity and water supply are concerned, those rights are intact, and landlord cannot deprive the tenant of the electricity or water supply irrespective of any condition violated by the tenant. Regarding the rate of rent, it has to be a reasonable rent, and the standard rent is determined by the court of law. If landlord increases the rent exorbitantly, then the tenant or the landlord can go to the court of law for determination of the standard rent, which can't be unfair.